This is our family pizza recipe passed down from my grandmother to my mother to me. I let the dough rise for an hour. I warm up all the pizza pans in my pizza oven. I add oil to the pan and make sure the pan is coated properly by using my hand. I roll out the dough by hand in the pizza pan and assemble the pizza. I'm generous with the oregano, which is from my front garden. Then I sprinkled on Romano cheese. Our fresh tomato pizza is made with just tomatoes and garlic and oregano and Romano cheese. I slice fresh mozzarella cheese. So that the mozzarella cheese doesn't burn, I add it after the pizza is partially baked. I cut up my pizza with kitchen shears because that's the way my mom does it. So there you have it, a delicious crisp pizza with my homegrown oregano.